my feet. I gotta like it. If I break something, you better come get me.
You sure we're supposed to go up here? There they go. Friend's gone, but the view's back. At least for now. You guys want to go for a drive in the truck? These two boys came right outside and went right to the truck.
Good boys.
It's a big drop. Mama doesn't jump down as easy as Winston. This cool area, buds. This is where we were yesterday, huh? You smell it, Cassian? You again. Come on. Is that nice and cool? Uh-huh. Yeah. You gonna let your brother come too? Come here, Winston. 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 Come on, Tom. Winston. Winston, he can come through here. Come on, bud. Come on. Jump. Come on, Tom. Let's go see your brother. See? Winston. Okay. Good job, baby boy. Jump. Good job, Winston.
Yeah.
He's brave. Who knew he's a Sahara dog? See what a big new world that opens up? This is the mom.
No. You don't need to hear you. You know that dog's over there.
Look at you, bud. You're brave. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. If you might see yourselves in the YouTube, but that's cool. Yeah. All right. sure we're supposed to go up here? That's amazing. Wow. You can see it running behind it, just like you were saying.
Yep.
Now that's a cool view coming down.
You can help me take a breather?
Yes. He likes dogs. They have their own channel, Traveling with Terriers. Oh, nice.
Petting them. He can see himself on YouTube. Some admirers there. The admirers are ready for something. But you guys don't know that. I have your guys' right here. Hey, someone figured it out. Where Winston? No, this is brothers. Winston. Good night.
Good night, buddy.
Oh, you don't get to see. Here's Mama.
This is Mount Antero, one of Colorado's many 14,000-foot mountains.
Are you guys ready to go to bye-bye to Kansas? Do you guys want to go see Toto? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Look at this tower of monstrosity. I hate it.
Start to figure it out.
Winston will wear it.
First time, he got it on for a while.
Thank you guys
Yeah. Yep. See ya.
Alright, well, you have a good time and I'll see you.
Thank you. They're very neglected, you can tell.